What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days. We've been a little busy over here in our neck of the woods, but we've also found some good things in these bags right here. But not only that, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this is from our buddy Dane, so a huge thanks for the one car that I know that is in here. It is one I've never seen before until he sent me the picture. So with this box, I'm going to be sending back some cars his way. So Dane, again, thank you for whatever else you threw in here. I know you said there's some extras. So I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and see what's inside. And then alongside this, guys, Dane has been a huge supporter of the channel for a very, very long time. So if you also want to become a member, don't forget you can click the join button next to the subscribe, which gives you some perks, some behind the scenes, some exclusive posts. Sometimes I don't really showcase stuff in the episode, or usually if I have some news, I'll post it on the members only. But as we get further along, we'll do more and more perks for each one. So you have two levels. You have the Gearhead, and then you also have the Enthusiast, which gives you everything the Gearhead has. So yeah, you can always join or unsubscribe at any time. There's no penalty. And like I always say, guys, if you want to support the channel in another way, you can definitely do it by that, or just give this video a huge thumbs up and share it. That also helps as well. So again, Dane, thank you so much for supporting the channel for such a long time. It is greatly appreciated. And I see a Greenlight. Oh man, got the window sticker on the back. A lot of facts on this. I love how they share that. But let's see, this is an MSRP of $65,000. Oh man, let's see, which one is it? Oh, here we go. Nice, 2022 Mach 1 in black. I actually do have this one, so this is a second. Our other one is sitting right underneath the running on empty. But here we go. Beautiful, man. This is out of the showroom floor series 2 from Greenlight. Look at that. God, that thing is nice. That is nice. I might actually open this one up because this thing is just beautiful. Love the wheels on this. Dude, thank you so much for a second one. I always appreciate more than one pony because I've been in the situation where I've had an opportunity to trade for a car I don't have for a Mustang that I have, but only had one of. So it does actually help when I have a second. But this one, not trading it away. I'm going to be opening that one up. And let's see, here it is right here. This is a color shift 1968 Mustang as the off-road series. Dude, this thing is super cool. I didn't even know Matchbox had done a color shift, but look at that, man. That is so cool. That is cool, man. Gosh, that is tough. So it's supposed to go from like yellow to orange or maybe red. I'll post the picture of what it's supposed to transition into. But check it out, you haven't seen these wheels in a long time, and I can't remember what these are called. But of course, they're just some massive off-road wheels, but beautiful 68 on a lift kit, dude. Let's see, you have, it looks like Skyjacker, you have Soda, and some other one, but man, that is cool. So the other ones I have in the collection, check it out, it's already changing color just from me holding it. That is cool. So the other ones I have are right here. We have the dark jungle green. This one actually was listed as a custom 68 Mustang Mudstanger. And then they just changed it to the Mudstanger for the off-road rally. And then you had a card variation, which was, this one was before this one. It was just a re-release. And then you had the desert theme, which was more of a Mad Max livery. You have the skull and crossbones on it with some mud. But then you also had another Mad Max style right here with the crossbones and stuff on the side. Really cool series. But yeah, the other one I have is a different color. I gotta find it at some point and show it to you guys. But this one right here is a beauty, and it's actually in really good shape. God, this thing is so cool, man. Let's see if I just hold it a little bit, see if it changes. Yep, got rid of a lot of the orange, so that is a sweet one. And check this out, guys. This is awesome. Definitely do not have this, man. AC Daleco of Dale Seniors Monte Carlo. God, that thing is awesome. That is awesome. Definitely do not have this. This is also a Suzuka circuit from Japan. God, that is cool. November 22nd, 1997. Another Japanese release of the car. That is cool. God, that is awesome, man. Thank you so much for this. This is an awesome one to go with the other one that I have. Yeah, that is sweet. So there we go. That is what we got from Dane. Some awesome additions for the collection and a second Mach 1. That is sweet. Again, thank you for that. And then let's move on to the new stuff that we found in the collection. This is a little bit NASCAR heavy, but you guys know I love this type of stuff, and I am not going to pass these guys up. And check it out. The new 2023 release, well, it's new in our area, 23's Wave Number 7, Dale Earnhardt, man. Look at that Camaro. Gosh, that is just awesome. That is just awesome. This is out of the 75th anniversary set. You can look on the back. You have the Petty car, which is actually a chase. So you have the baby blue in Petty blue, and then of course the chase is like a liquid chrome. But then you have these other drivers out of the 75th. Just some beauty. So stoked to get this one. That is so cool that they brought the Dale car back as the form of a Camaro. Not only that, we found the other guys as well. We have Jimmy Johnson, another legend in the game, number 48. Look at that. God, these are all Camaros too. And I know what you guys are going to say. There's a reason why the Mustangs are in the legendary setup. You have this Camaro, followed up by another Camaro, which is Richard Petty. Pretty shocked that they put him on a Chevy, but they also don't have any Plymouths in the game or Dodges. So the Camaro is going to have to do. But look at that Petty blue. That is awesome. You got the 426 cubic inch, of course, his iconic livery that he would have on any of his cars. That is a beauty, dude. Gosh, that is cool. And that one, and the last one out of these, of course, we had to grab Jeff Gordon in the iconic Blue Flame 24. That is just, look at that. July 9th, 2006. I think that was when he retired. I don't know. You guys let me know. I want to say that's when he did, but I'm not 100%. So that is just a gorgeous one. So four Camaros with 4 legends in the game. 24, 43, 3, and 48. Awesome numbers right here, and just stoked to have these. So that is what we picked up for that. And then we also scored the Joey Logano Bristol truck. Look at that. Dude, that Hang 10 livery is just gnarly, man. Love the colors of this. You got that teal and purple, just really cool. Super cool. Love this one. This one's going to get opened up. I do use these blisters for Hot Wheels. We've used them on a couple of them. I think it's on my Red Edition, actually, that I take to car shows. But yeah, these actually fit Hot Wheels. So just so you guys can check it out if you guys are NASCAR collectors, but you want to open these up, take this card out, take the truck out. That is just sweet. That is a really cool F-150. So once you take all this out, the card stuff, you can take this out as well. Oh, actually, this one's a little bit different. It's a little bit different than the other one. Let's see. The next one we're grabbing is this one. So this is actually going to be stripped apart for a custom. I am taking out this motor with the twin turbos and using that for something. But we'll use it for this point right here. So let's see. This one should work. It worked on my other ones, but this card is a little bit different. Yeah, this one is actually different. Oh, it's not going to work. So the other one I have didn't have this recessed area for the card. It was just flat. So you can actually display your cars and they can actually stand up. I mean, if you want to, you still can. It's just going to bend the card just a little bit. But I mean, if you don't really care, you don't really care. But all right, so that one's not going to work. It's a change up on the blister. They probably assumed that people were taking these for Hot Wheels and wanted to change it up. So you can't use it for Hot Wheels. So All right, there is that. We'll go ahead and just put this back together real quick. All right, so we put that back, and like I said, this one's actually going to get stripped apart for pieces. We also grabbed this one, the Custom Auto. This one is one that I actually do collect. I have all the variations and release, including the NFT, which Raul gave me. We have it right up here, so let's go ahead and bring it down. There you go. This is the NFT version of the Custom Auto. This one's number 20 out of Series 2. This one is definitely a beauty. Have a really nice Spectraflame black with the gold Real Riders. Thing is sweet. So we'll go ahead and put that one back up there. And so yeah, this one's going to be opened. All of my autos are open except for the NFT. This one I just wanted to grab. The colors are super fresh looking, and it's got the MC5s with the blue chrome ring. So really nice out of the Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Then we also grabbed a second funny car. We actually gave one away, kept one for the collection, and I am going to do a custom. I know I said I was going to do the last one, but a buddy of mine needed one. So I gave up the other one I had and replenished it with this one. And then of course, this one right here, guys, finally got it. Traded my buddy locally for this. This is the Mach E 1400 Treasure Hunt, and this one is out of F case. There we go. Look at that beautiful livery, man. You got the gold in there. You have the blues. You got the Treasure Hunt and RTR right there on the back. So this is not an error. I've been asked that before. You have the green chrome in the front and the black. But if you look on the card, it has that same setup. You got the black wheel in the back, yellowish in the front. So it is not an error. That's how they come. But this one's the first one with an offset wheel. So there you go. Beautiful Treasure Hunt, man. Stoked to get this. I actually traded a JDM that I had in the collection for it. So huge thanks to my buddy Zach for that one. Finally got it. All right, let's see. This one, I forgot what. Oh yeah, here we go. Check this out. I know it is just a re-release from Fast and the Furious, but this is the Gold Series for 2024. The iconic 69 Boss 302. Check that out. Yes, I know. Re-released. We've seen it over and over again. But you know my Mustangs stay on card. And I'm all about the card variation. So we have this one. And then the other one we have still on card. And it is sitting right here. So here we go. 2 different card releases from Fast and the Furious. Let's see if there's any slight differences in them. I mean, the exact same wheels, red or maroon interior, which still has the roll cage, and even down to the front. So this one has the made in Thailand, and then this one has also made in Thailand. So this one's out of M10 for the year, and this one is T04. So that tells you it's a 2024. T is 24. But there you go. Just another one. They did the same thing with the GT 350 right here. 2 different card releases. You had this one and then you had that one. This one is like super CGI, almost Forza looking. This one was like realistic. So definitely don't like this card art. I definitely appreciate this one a lot more. That's why that one is on top. And then when we get to this one, I don't know. Which one do you think is better? I think that one just captures the look of it a little bit more. So I'll keep that one on top. This one will go underneath, but still another Boss 302 added to the collection. And then last, but definitely not least, we found the 5-pack of the Hot Wheels Flame series. Everybody is going nuts over this, and I know it's over this truck. I mean, it is a beautiful square body. You got that nice smoked metallic with the lime green and white tribal flames. But I mean, the whole pack is just really sweet. Look at that. That thing is gorgeous. You got that burnt orange. That one is the 64 Impala. There you go. Dude, that thing is nice. Very, very nice. Love that burnt orange with the flames. Then you have this one in this beautiful blue metallic with flames. That one is the Muscle Speeder, I believe. No, that one's the Muscle Speeder. That one is the Boulevard Bruiser. This one's the Muscle Speeder in the pink metallic. Then you got this one, the Ford. I think it's a 56. Yep, 56 Ford F100. Beautiful color, man. That is just gorgeous. You have the Hot Wheels engine builders of El Segundo, California with the 5 spokes and white walls. And of course the Chevy. So if you guys don't remember, I am a huge fan of the Hot Wheels Flame series. We have all of the previous ones. This one was one of my favorites because it's got the 2007, the Viper, the Camaro. It's got the, what is that, a Plymouth. And then another one, I can't remember what that is, a 60, it looks like a Fairlane or Galaxy. But then you have this one. I mean, this one is heavy as heck. Look at that. You got the Passing Gasser, the El Camino, the Daytona, the Maverick, and this one is the, it's probably another Mopar. I tell you, I like Mopar, but not enough to really learn them. So beautiful sets. This is another one to add to the collection. I just got to figure out which one of these 5 packs I'm going to move, because we have all of the Hot Wheels race teams. We got 1, 2, and 3, and then the next one, and then of course the one with the treasure hunt in there. So I just got to figure it out because I'm trying to keep them all together. Keep all the Hot Wheels legends together, all the Fast and the Furious ones, the Mustangs, the exotics, Lamborghini. Where's my Corvette one? Corvette one. That one's kind of oddball, and so is that one. I don't know. I got to figure out which one I'm going to take off. Not doing this one's because it's got the exclusive or the 5-pack release of that one. It might be this one. I don't know. But well, either way, guys, beautiful Hot Wheels Flame Series 5-pack. Everyone is going nuts over it. And I've seen people even stealing these out of it. So here we go, guys. Awesome additions to the collection. Like I said, there hasn't been a lot going on around here. But really glad to have these 4 cars right here. Some iconic legends that everyone should know. Everyone should know Jimmy Johnson, Dale Sr. at the minimum, Richard Petty, and Jeff Gordon. I mean, these are just the 4 top dogs. And then, of course, you have Chase Elliott, Joey Logano, you have Martin Truex. You have a lot of really great drivers nowadays, but these are the ones that I really look for when I'm looking through NASCAR stuff. So that, then of course here, and then the package from Dane. Huge thanks again for the Mustangs and the Dale Sr. car. That is awesome. So that is all we got for this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And like I said, comment down below if you have any info or thoughts of what we picked up. And check out the description box for more info if you want to support and help out the channel. So that is all we got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.